Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get diamonds and keys for free, everything in the shop in Choices, using this modded version called Choices Plus Plus, guys. So everything in the shop is going to be completely free. You can go ahead and buy anything, guys. This is insane, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So when I go over here, I can buy diamonds, I can buy keys, and as you can see, everything has a price tag of 0. So I can literally go ahead and click on any of these guys, and I can literally go ahead and buy them. So it's insane. I can't believe this actually works, but it does. So it's really, really cool. And I mean, this is just amazing. You can see right here, everything in the shop is totally free to buy. I mean, guys, I can't believe this actually works. You can see right here, I can select any of these amounts and go ahead and purchase them. So super, super cool stuff, guys. I can't believe it works. And I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. You can see I did it a few times, and now I got some resources in my account. So you can see right there. So if you want to do this, guys, follow along, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to get this done. So let's get right into the video. So basically, if you want to download this modded version, you need to go to this amazing site. You can see right there, Choices Plus Plus, the Plus Plus version. So what you want to do, guys, is go to this site right here. So the website you want to go to is called apphat.co. It allows you to download modded apps and modded games. Once you're on the site, I highly recommend going to the search bar. That's where I like to go if there's a particular app in mind I want to search up. So I'm going to type in Choices, and you can see it pops right up, Choices Plus Plus, everything in the shop for free. You want to go ahead and press on it, and then press the button that says Start Installation. As long as you have a decent internet connection, it shouldn't take long to download. You can see right here the progress bar, so just make sure you don't leave the site. There are some more instructions after this, so keep watching the video till the end if you want to learn how to do this for yourself. So let's give it a second here for this to finish, as you can see. Alright, installing, unpacking, starting installation. Alright, almost done. The final message should be setting up final stage, so let's give it a second for that to appear. And any second now, guys, it should pop up. There we go, setting up final stage. So once it says that, it's going to redirect you to a new site, and just to keep the service free, you have to download 2 of these apps and complete instructions. They're all completely free. They're from the official App Store or Play Store, as this does work on both iOS and Android. So just to show you guys, I'm on an Android phone, but I'm just going to show you guys how this works. So basically, you click on one of the apps, and it's going to bring up this menu with a button that says tap to install. You click that, and you can see right here, it's taking me straight over to the Play Store. So you don't have to buy anything in these apps. Just make sure you complete the instructions, and you should be good to go. So let's just give it a minute to redirect me, and boom, you can see it takes you straight over to the Play Store. So super amazing, guys. I can't believe it actually works. Now I'm just going to go back and show you with one more app. So let's find another one. There's a bunch to choose from. Let's see, which one do I want to do? I'll do this one, Flash Rewards. So it's going to take me over there, and I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys, yeah, Play Store. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, share this with your friends, get the word out about this crazy method. I'm blown away this actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super cool. I mean, this is just amazing. So yeah, definitely share it. Everyone needs to know about this. I'll be seeing you guys later, and peace out.